Alright guys, today we're looking at the 2020 Thor Chateau 31EV. It's on an E450 chassis. You can see here, I'm not going to open all the compartments, but you have storage here, you have storage down here, you have your outside outlet, you have your furnace exhaust, your refrigerator vents. Down here you have your propane. You're going to have more storage. You have a propane outside hookup, so you can hook up a grill. Of course, your gasoline fill. It does have a power awning on it. You have your fresh water fill. You got this large storage unit. All these storage bays have lights on the inside of them. Going to the back, of course, you have your ladder. You have your emergency window out back. You have your hitch, probably an 8 or a 10,000 pound hitch. You'll have to look that up to see what that is. Of course, on the passenger side here, we have a super slide. One long slide. As you pointed out on the inside a while ago, there was a bunks in it and the dinette, all that. But anyway, down here at the bottom, you have your power outlet. It's 30 amp. You can have your cable hookup. You got your more storage. Here you got your wastewater holding tank, sewer outlet connection. Just more storage all the way across through here. You have your shower, outdoor shower, your city water connection. This is where you're at an RV park, you will hook it up to here. This is your hot water heater, access to that. Down here up underneath the bottom, you got your generator, looks like an Onan. And that is pretty much it. It does have a slide topper over the slide. Anyway, that's it. That's the 2020 Thor Chateau 31EV.
So here we are inside of the 2020 Thor 31EV, and we'll take you and show you around. So let's start with this, this is the cab. This is where all the action happens. And beautiful, huge TV. Place to put some kids, bunks, and lots and lots of storage. Nice, good, secure storage, so they don't come open when you're traveling. And nice couch with built-in seat belt, so you can use this when you're going down the road. And cup holders. More cup holders and more seat belts on your table here. The table does come down and does convert into another bed. And more storage. Nice big long drawer storage underneath of both of these. I like storage. More storage in the kitchen. Really nice drawers in the kitchen. Nice storage. And one of my favorite things, this great countertop with a removable seat cover and a nice big deep sink with a residential faucet, which I really like. It's really pretty color. Woo! Easy to put back in. This is really awesome. This is a nice little pops in, pops out. Got your outlets and your UV. Is it UV?
USB.
USB outlets. Got your USB outlets and your regular outlets in there. There's under cabinet lighting. Lots more storage. And a microwave. A 3-burner gas top range that's covered with a beautiful glass cover. Beautiful oven. Pretty good, pretty roomy in there. And a nice drawer for your pots and pans underneath. Under the sink, it's awesome because there's trash storage under there, which we don't have an RV and we wish we did. You'll really like that. Pantry, very nice pantry. Got a really big refrigerator freezer combo. Plenty of room in there. And a walk-through bathroom, which we're going to tour in just a little bit. Alright, let's go on down the hall. In the hallway you'll see that the slides are pushed all the way out already. So this is how big your RV is going to be once all the slides are out. You have a nice set of bunk beds here, really nice thick comfy mattresses, and privacy curtains and windows. So perfect for kids. Oh God, come here, Brian. I gotta show them this. TV for the upper bunk and TV for the lower bunk. And both of them have storage pockets next to the TV as well. So your kids are gonna love that. Then there's storage underneath the bunk where people can keep their clothes. And let's go back to the backpack. All right, it's kind of tight back here, but nice big bed. Looks like it's gonna be very comfortable. Beautiful comforter on the bed, and nice, we're not gonna open that, but nice blinds, and lots of storage in here. Overhead storage. Nice little vanity or desk area with lots of outlets around. Outlet there. Big storage drawers under the vanity area, and nice big, see if you can get in here, closet with hanging. You can hang your longest stuff. Pants in there, dresses in there, and then lots of drawers underneath. Now, if you'll turn your attention to this side, you'll see even more overhead storage. And on each side of the bed, places to put your laptop, I mean, not your laptop, but places to put your phone and places to plug things in, and plenty of room if you have a CPAP or something, you have room for that as well. Lots of room and lots of storage in here. And there's storage, let me show you, underneath this. More storage. Lots and lots of storage back here in the bedroom. And you have a control center back here. So you can control air conditioning from right here. So you don't have to go to the front of the vehicle to manage your air conditioning. You can do it from your bed. Now let's go through the walk-through bathroom, which I think is really cool, especially since this has bunks in it. I think it's really cool to have a walk-through bathroom so mom and dad can access from this side and others can access from this side. You have a big medicine cabinet, a beautiful sink. Under sink storage is ample, lots of under sink storage. We have a nice porcelain toilet. Storage above the porcelain toilet. Big shower with a nice little ledge in here to put your soap and whatnot on, and a nice skylight. It's very nice and deep and tall in there. It's got a really nice shower curtain, shower door. Now, see, as you walk right through, you're right back in the kitchen again. So if you come over here to the side, this is the control panel. This is where you're going to let your sides out and in. This is also where you're going to check to see how much fresh water you have, how full your tanks are, how full your gray and your black water tanks are, and also you can get your power control information from here as well. And another control unit for the air conditioning. And you also have a cubby to put things like brooms and hang your jackets and put your shoes in, so you don't have to walk all the way through the house with them on, all the way through the RV with them on. Down there? I don't know what that does.
Those are light switches, battery disconnect, and it looks like a solar charge controller.
For outside, and also you have
furnace vents.
Furnace vents right there. Thank you for touring the inside of this.